In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom form on a Wix website tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a form, customize its look and text, and publish your changes with confidence. First, open the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. Make sure you're on the page where you want the form to appear. On the left side of the editor, open the Add panel and head to Contact and Forms. This is where Wix keeps its form options and templates, so it's the quickest way to get started. You'll see options to create new form or add existing form. Choose Create New Form if you want a fresh start with a template. If you already have a form saved in your site's library, pick Add Existing Form to reuse it and keep your previous settings. After you pick, use the on-screen highlights to place the form on your page, adjust the size, and align it where it looks best. From the form templates, select Contact to grab a clean, ready-to-use contact form. Once it's on the page, follow the highlight to confirm your selection, then open QuickEdit. QuickEdit is your control center for the essentials. Rename fields, update labels, and placeholder text, set which fields are required, and change the button text to something clear like Send or Submit. Keep your form short and focused to improve completion rates. Next, let's style the section so it matches your site. Click Section Background to style the area behind your form. Then choose Strip Background to fine-tune colors, gradients, or images. Aim for strong contrast between the background and your text for readability. If you use an image, consider a subtle overlay to keep the form fields easy to read. Now, update your messaging. Click the title above the form and add a clear headline that sets the purpose, like Get in Touch. Click the paragraph beneath it to add a short line that sets expectations, such as typical response times or what happens after someone submits. Use the highlighted controls to tidy spacing and alignment so everything feels balanced. If your page includes a social bar, click it to review your icons and links. Make sure the icons are relevant and lead to the correct destinations, or hide the bar if you want a clean, distraction-free form section. When your layout looks right, revisit Section Background if needed for final visual polish. When you're happy, click Publish to push your changes live, and then Done to close the flow. For best results, open the live page and submit a quick test to make sure you receive notifications and that everything looks great across devices.